Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is finally going to be another Dollar Tree haul. Haven't done one in a good while and I really miss it. But hopefully now, since like summer, fall and everything else is coming, I'll probably start back on those. I'm really excited actually for all those hauls again. And it'll be a year then since I started doing them, because I started doing them when we moved into this house. And it's going to be a year. This month it'll be a year since we moved in. So yeah, it's really been, it flew by actually. But yeah, if you want to see what I got, just keep on watching. Alright, so first thing first, just to get it out the way and no specific category or like kitchen, I got a mop. Yeah, just a plain simple mop, because I have a Swiffer wet jet, but sometimes you need just a regular mop for some messes, so just to pick up liquids and stuff like that. So I figured I'd get just a plain simple mop. And I got also a black bucket from Dollar Tree as well, just to go with it. The bucket is somewhere in the living room. I don't feel like going to get it right now. Alright, so next my husband decided he wanted some wafers, so he got a big pack of strawberry wafers. I don't know, he likes them. I guess he's had them before from there. And then I also got this spaghetti utensil, yeah, pasta server, because I already had one, but my husband was frying stuff. I don't know why he decided to use this one, but he did, and it pretty much like melted the things, the prongs to it, so I had to get it replaced. Then we also got this veggie brush. And we're not gonna use it really for veggies. But since we have chickens and stuff, they lay eggs and we like to collect their eggs, so for us to eat. So this is a good brush to wash them up when we bring them from the outside. Then my son was also with us and he wanted a cup, so he chose this sippy cup. It's cute, the lid. Only thing I hate is whenever he drinks milk, and then if it stays for like too long, it'll get stuck in here, and then he just loses them sometimes. So I just gotta keep up with them and trying to not get any milk stuck in here, because it's so hard to get it out. And I also saw these. That Dollar Tree that I went to was not in my area. Well, it was a little further out in another town. So they had more, it was a bigger Dollar Tree than ours, and they had a little more stuff. So I don't think I've seen these in our Dollar Tree. It's a 4-pack of glass bowls, and they're like perfect for serving dips or baking. When you're baking, you're trying to separate ingredients. That's what I kind of wanted it to, for baking, and just like to melt butter, whatever you need for that recipe. That's what I wanted those for. I'm trying to keep everything a little more like organized with like categories, so I'll try. So next up is this over the cabinet towel bar. I've never seen these in my Dollar Tree at all. So these you just stick over the cabinet and you hang the towels like that in the picture right there. You hang towels or whatever, and I think, yeah, they extend to that. They can go from here to here, so it's pretty cool. And the fact that they're like over the cabinet, these things are usually pretty expensive. If you buy something like this from like Walmart or something, they're expensive. Like I have something similar, and it's like a little basket from Walmart, and they're like $10 a piece, which this one was only $1. So they only had 2 left that I found, and I got both of them. Then also from the containers things, you know how they have a bunch of stuff, I got these 2 stackable bins. I got them so for vegetables, pretty much. Like I don't keep a lot of vegetables, but the ones I do, I like to keep them organized. So I'm gonna put, like, let's say I only have onions and sweet potatoes, something like that right now. So I'll put onions on one and the sweet potatoes on the other, and that way they don't take up horizontal space. I can use the vertical space in my pantry for them. And this is another little baby stuffed animal that my son wanted. This probably is for my he might have gotten for his baby sister that's coming, you know, or like if you don't know, I'm having a girl, so he chose this out for her, I guess. Yeah, it's really cute. And then this is just a random item, but I saw it and I'm like, oh, that's cool. It's a 1-yard strip of Velcro. Let's see. I don't know what I would use it for yet, but I know I'm gonna have, like, I want to do some organization, and this could be a good thing. So the only thing is that you have to like glue it to something because it doesn't have any sticky side. So you have to either glue it or sew it onto something, but it's still Velcro for $1. So I don't want to pass that up, especially because I haven't seen that in my local Dollar Tree. All right, now I'm gonna get into the little more like beauty, I guess. I found the silicone blender on there, and I've had them before, but I don't know what happened to mine. I think they got messed up or something. I don't know. And so I decided to get a new one. And these I haven't seen at my Dollar Tree either. So I don't know how long they've had them. And they're like that. They're like a regular size one. And it has the little brand logo on there. And I want to give it a try again because I haven't used one in forever. So I want to see if I like them. Or how good they are. Then also from the beauty area, I got the blender sponge from them. I haven't seen that. All this I haven't seen in my local Dollar Tree, so I don't know if they're gonna get it or not, but I went ahead and picked one up. Ooh. It's actually pretty soft. I didn't think it was gonna be that soft. I thought it was gonna be a little more hard and rubbery. But no, it's not. It's quite like soft, spongy. So we'll see how it works when it's wet. And then I also got the false eyelash extension applicator, just because I kind of want to get more into eyelashes. I haven't, sometimes I'll do extensions, but right now I haven't been able to. Mainly because I don't want to be laying down on my back for too long. And being pregnant, it's really uncomfortable. So I wanted to wait. And since I can't do extensions, I decided maybe I'll give false lashes a try again, but I just never had the patience, and I'm not really good at putting them on, so I thought this might help. So we'll see. And it's metal, so I thought they were plastic, but they're metal. That's cool. We'll see how good they are. Oh, I just found this magic towel from Minnie Mouse. I didn't know my son put that in there, and that's one of those like expands in water washcloths things. He likes those, but he got Minnie Mouse this time. And then from beauty, I guess, like hairstyle, I got this scrunchie, and it's from the brand Scrunchie, so it's pretty cool. It's this like red, sparkly, pink, sparkly, red, sparkly, I don't know, but we'll see how. I've been getting into scrunchies. Actually, this one that I'm wearing now, I got from Dollar Tree, and it's just like a watermelon print, and I love it. I've been using it non-stop. And I hate having my hair on my neck, especially right now since it's hot. I hate having my hair down, especially at work, so I always keep a scrunchie with me to put them on, put my hair up. And then also, I just tore it, but also got these 2 packs of ponytailers, but they're the plastic ones. That these are supposed to be good so they don't bend or crease your hair. And I just got them in the color pink. And this one I can use as a bracelet too. And honestly, I don't know if you remember, back in when I was in school, like elementary and stuff, the teachers would carry their keys around and something like this on their wrist. And that's kind of why I wanted these too, because where I work, I need to have a key for the door, so whenever customers come in, I have to unlock it and all that. So I thought it'd be easier to just keep it on my wrist instead of having to search around my area to get the keys and unlock it for people. So that way I always have it on me, and that's what I wanted. I mainly wanted these for that purpose, but I can also use them as a scrunchie, at least one of them. We're almost done. So next up, I found these roll-ons, ready to use roll-on aroma guru, pretty much essential oil rollers. And like this one specifically is a muscle ease. It's sweet almond oil plus muscle ease essential oil blend, and then you just put it on like all over your body, and it tells you, like, it gives you the ingredients and the benefits of them and all that. I've never seen those at Dollar Tree, and I thought that was a good deal because essential oils are not cheap. So, and that one is roll-on, so that's even better. This one is the lavender essential oil, and this one I would love for like right before I go to bed or trying to get sleepy if I can't go to sleep, because I've been going to sleep more later than I used to. And I don't like it because now I can't wake up as early as I used to. And I want to get back into that so that way I can use that one to fall asleep earlier. And then also got the tea tree one. And of course it has all like the little benefits on the back. And that's all they had. I got one of each. The 3. Alright, so the last 2 products I got are candles. This one is the Luminescence Coastal Breeze candle. And this one smells so good. This one I wanted it for like my son's restroom. Because the color, it matches his theme that he has in there. And it smells really good. It's like, it's Coastal Breeze. So this is more like a, to me, it smells like a bathroom scent, you know. So it smells really nice. And then I got this honey vanilla one. It's cute because it's like in a good, it's in a mason jar. And it's like, it reminds me of, I don't know, those high-end candles that I see in other places and boutiques and stuff, but they're really expensive, and this one's only $1. And it smells so good. I have one right now from Dollar Tree that I'm burning, and it's like a vanilla something, I think, and it smells really nice, so I just wanted to get another similar one. And this one's honey vanilla, and it smells really good. Alright, so that's all for my Dollar Tree haul for now. I would definitely get back into these once the seasons start coming, like the holidays and everything. I want to get back into this and more home decor and stuff. I just, lately I haven't had the energy and time to do them, but I kind of want to get back into them. But yeah, oh, and sorry for like, I didn't do anything to myself today. It's Sunday. It's like Sunday, so I didn't feel like doing anything to my face. I just like woke up, washed my face, put some moisturizer on, and that's it. And I pulled up my hair, no makeup, nothing. I just like, today's a cleaning day for me, so yeah, I don't feel like the need to do my makeup and or anything. So yeah, that's why I look a little weird, very weird actually, but it's okay. Alright, so I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.